In this video, we'll be showing you 2 ways to install Melanj hair clip-in extensions from our blowout collection. Each full set of clip-ins comes with 9 clip-in wefts of varying sizes, which are designed to cover your entire head. There's 1 5-clip weft, 2 4-clip wefts, 2 3-clip wefts, and 4 2-clip wefts in 2 different sizes. If you would like to leave your hair out, start at the nape of your neck and part a thin section of hair. Open the clips by bending back gently, insert into the roots of the hair, and snap closed to secure it in place. We like to start with 3-clip wefts, working our way up to the larger pieces and leaving the 2-clip wefts for the area closest to the face. Continue parting thin sections of hair and installing the clip-ins evenly while working around your head in a U shape. This will ensure your extensions blend properly with your natural hair. Once your clip-ins are installed, you're ready to curl them or style as desired. You may also want to wear your extensions as a partially protective style. In this case, you can install them into hair that has been braided down. After sectioning off the hair that will be left out and braiding down the rest, you're ready to begin installing the clip-ins. Starting at the nape of your neck, install a 3-clip weft directly into the braided hair. Continue installing the clip-ins, leaving about 1.5 inches between each row and working around your head in a U shape. Once you've made it to your loose hair, begin parting sections of the hair and place the clips into these sections while you continue to work up and around your head. This will ensure the front of your hair is blended with the clip-ins and they are not only placed in the back of your head. Like the first method, we recommend saving larger wefts for the top sections of your hair to create a seamless finish. You can see that even with more than 50% of the hair braided down, one set of clip-ins is more than enough to cover your entire head. For more information, you can visit us on melanjhair.com or on Instagram at melanjhair.